this school. Found a Friedrich, a GE, a Friedrich, and a couple other units. I'm not gonna show all of them. Friedrich. What compressor does this thing have? LG. Ugh. Bunch of them over here.